Hello, my name is Joseph Self. I'm mechanic 2 here at Crown Linen. I started Crown Linen back in 2018 at a halfway house facility, which is a group of people that are being reoriented back into the community from prison. I started on the wash deck, which is doing sorting laundry. Then from there I went to tunnel operator because I showed Miss Regina my credentials pretty much from my schooling, my training, and then what was it? His name was Jeff. A guy named Jeff moved me up to lead tunnel operator. From there I met a guy named Ralph, which is like a dad to me pretty much. He's a father figure. He seen the potential that I had, and he seen that I could progress and learn really quick. So he offered me a position in mechanic, which was mechanic 1 at starting out. Then they seen that I was a very strong mechanic 2, and from there I just been learning every day from each mechanic that I can gather from each mechanic. Each mechanic has their own little individual, things that they know and understand a better comprehension of electrical, mechanical, what else? You name it. It's a whole ballpark of engineering, and when I gather from every one of these people here, man, it's from a family, and they teach me pretty much everything I know. And I have to give it all to Ralph. If it wasn't for Ralph, I don't think I would have this position.